Hey guys, so just been flying around and experiencing that HD feel. I've been flying, I just haven't been uploading. So in case you're wondering what I've been up to, I've been flying this Walksnail. I got some better antennas and running a Mamba antenna. So Mamba left-hand circular polarized antenna. I have the HDLRC M10 GPS on the back, getting into some long-range, medium-range flying. Flying around now in HD, 1080p at 60 frames per second. Man, it's just a pleasure to fly. Just to cruise around and explore your surroundings, you know? And that's sort of what I'm experiencing right now. That's what I'm doing right now. Just cruising around and watching everything in high detail in HD is in itself is a lot of fun. I haven't been freestyling much. I've just been working on these new builds. I've been working on these Walksnail builds. I have two quads. One was my long range rig, and the next one is the freestyle quad. So just been flying around and getting a feel for HD. I'm getting a feel for the Walksnail parameters. I'm getting a feel for how far I could fly with Walksnail before it actually drops out completely. I've been flying on 1080p and 720p, 50 and 25 megabits per second. And depending on where I am and how high up I fly, it all depends on the type of latency I would get. So I'm just trying to cruise around and get a feel for how far out I could get with this system here without it dropping out completely. As soon as I feel more comfortable with it, then I'm gonna start to freestyle more. But as it is now, I'm just enjoying cruising around and getting a feel for the HD system. This is the rig I've been flying the long-range flights with. It has that HDLRC M10 GPS in the back. This is a frame that I built myself. It's a combination of at least 3 different Iflight frames. So everything's kind of crammed into there into one stack. But it works, it's really light. It'll get me out there, you know, at least 2 kilometers. My aim is to try and get at least 4 kilometers. As they say, the Walksnail system is good for 4K. So I'm hoping to get 4 kilometers out. I'll be happy with that, man. 2 kilometers out and I'm already shaking. So I've just been messing around, guys. Get up in the air, get flying, keep doing what you're doing. One love. Peace out.